First, thank you to everyone who participated in this special cooking contest. Seeing your recipes, creativity, stories, and love for cooking truly meant a lot to me. This contest was especially close to my heart because it was dedicated to my mother, who was a wonderful home economics teacher. She believed that cooking was more than preparing food. It was about bringing people together, sharing traditions, and showing love through every meal. With Mother's Day, it felt like a perfect time to celebrate her memory through all of you and your incredible dishes. After counting all the comments and support from the community, I'm excited to officially announce the winners. And I would like to thank Mayor Junsat Sat for the sponsor of our first prize winner. Thank you, Mayor.